Hello friends, I will teach you what is concave mirror, what are the terminology related to concave mirror and how to draw the ray diagram for concave mirror in this video. So first of all what I will do, I will draw the concave mirror, right? To draw the concave mirror I will take my scale. I will put my scale over here. There is no rule for the measurement of concave mirror. So first of all, I am taking measurement of 8 centimeter on my rounder, right? And now I will draw the concave mirror. Now, if I will draw the concave mirror like this with approximate value, it may not be perfect. So for perfection, what I suggest that you draw the temporary line over here, right? On 7. Let me draw the temporary line on 7, right? See, these edges doesn't meet here and here it is longer than it should be. So to make this perfect, to make it perfect, what you need to do, draw the line on 7 and then draw the spherical mirror. So both the edges will look parallel, right? Both this endpoint and this endpoint will look parallel, and then remove this temporary line. Now, what is center of curvature? See, I will explain first of all. See, what is center of curvature? So center of curvature is what? So spherical mirror is made from spherical shell, right? It is actually whole circular, right? I have drawn this much only, but it is actually whole circular like this. I am just showing in this with another pen, right, so that I can remove it. It is made up from spherical shell, and from which this much part is taken out. This much part is cut from the whole spherical shell. So this is spherical shell. So center of the spherical shell from which it is cut, center of the spherical shell from which it is cut is called center of curvature C, right? It is center of curvature C. So now you know what is center of curvature. Spherical shell from which it is made, spherical mirror is made. So center of that spherical shell is called center of curvature. Now what is pole? So this is reflecting surface, right? This red is reflecting surface. So its center over here, its exact center, right? So its center is called pole of spherical mirror. And now what is principal focus? So there is a point between C and P, exactly between C and P. So this is 8 centimeter. On this 4 there is a point where all the parallel rays meet, right? Where all the parallel rays meet. Let me draw the principal focus for that. Let me draw the principal focus first. Right? What is principal focus? Imaginary line passing through C and P, right? This is the imaginary line passing through C and P is principal axis, right? This principal axis. Now what is principal focus? So this point is principal focus, denoted by F, right? And this is the point where parallel rays pass. Parallel rays, see, if parallel rays are coming from infinity, right, they will touch the spherical mirror and they will meet at one point on principal axis, and that point is called principal focus. So now you know center of curvature, now you know pole, now you know principal focus. Now another terminology that I want to explain, that is radius of curvature. Radius of curvature. What is radius of curvature? So same, if I draw this circle and if I draw the line segment which has one endpoint at the center and another endpoint on the circle, this is what is my radius. So same way, this distance between this C and P is radius of curvature, because if I draw the whole circle, this is the center and this is the line segment from the center of the circle to any point on the circle is called radius of curvature, denoted by capital R. So now you know radius of curvature, center of curvature, principal focus and P. Now we will understand how to pass the ray in concave mirror. So there are 4 laws that I will explain in this video. 4 laws to pass the rays in concave mirror. So if you know that main 4 rays, you can draw the any ray diagram. So I will teach you very easily. What is the first ray? First ray is when the ray goes parallel to the principal axis, that will be reflected through F. That will be reflected through F. So this is ray number 1, right? This is incident and this is reflection, right? So this is incident, this is reflection, this is ray number 1, right? This is ray number 1. What is ray number 1? If ray is parallel to the principal axis, this is principal axis, then it will reflect and pass from the F, right? That is principal focus. Now I will teach you ray number 2. What is ray number 2? If ray number 2, if ray passes through F, that's principal focus. If ray passes through the F, principal focus, then after reflection it will be parallel. After reflection it will be parallel to the principal axis. Very easy. First ray, what was the first ray? It goes straight and then reflect, passes through the F. Second is one which goes from F and becomes parallel to the principal axis after reflection, right? Ray number 3, that's very easy, that passes from C. This is very easy. It passes through the C and comes back in C, right? It comes in the same direction, right? It comes in same direction. So it goes through C and comes back through C. So this is ray number 3. And ray number 4. Ray number 4 is angle of incidence and angle of reflection are same. So if I draw, right, like this, so this angle is angle of incidence, that's theta I. Let me come over here, right? Let me put protector over here. So this seems angle 27. So same way I need to draw the 27 over here and I will reflect, because angle of incidence and angle of reflection are same. So I will draw the 27 over here. So 27 goes somewhere right here. This is 27, yeah. So this is my reflection and I will write over here theta R, angle of reflection. So now you know the 4 rays. Let me recap everything so that you understand better, right? This one you know. I will explain 3 rays again. There are 4 rays, but I will explain 3 because this is angle of incidence. First one will go to the go parallel to the principal axis and pass through the F, right? Second one passes through the F and becomes parallel to the principal axis after reflection. Third one goes in C and comes back in C. This is not exactly passed from C, but yeah. So this goes in, passes from the C and comes back same direction. So these 4 rays you know. Now if you want to draw the ray diagram in your examination, if you have a question like this in your examination, draw a ray diagram showing position, nature and size of an image formed by concave mirror when object is placed between C and F. So you don't need to mug up everything from the textbook, but if you know this law, then you can easily draw the ray diagram for anything asked in the examination. So I will take that question on this page so that I don't have to draw the diagram again, right? So this is control X, okay. Now let me write question over here so that you can do, and let me delete the unnecessary things from here now. Right, okay, so this is my question. I need to put the object between C and F. So I will put my object over here, right? Anywhere between C and F. It does not mean exactly between C and F, but anywhere between C and F. And if I want to draw the ray diagram for this, I can pass any 2 rays. Remember friends, to draw the ray diagram, to form the image, let me tell you, to form the image you need minimum 2 rays. You can pass more than 2 rays, but you cannot pass less than 2 rays, right? Minimum 2 rays required. So let me draw over here. So first ray I will pass this one, which one is my favorite, will go parallel and will pass from the F, because if you know the rule you can solve it easily. So this is done for you, right? Okay, now let me show this sign. This is incidence, this is incident ray, this is reflected ray, right? Now I will draw another, right? So another which I can draw, it will pass from here, right, and it will go parallel, right? So this is not long enough, I will draw the longer enough, right? Okay, so this is how ray diagram is drawn, right? Now this is where my image is formed. This is where my image is formed. Let me make it possible over here, right? So this is my image is formed over here. Now what is the nature of the image, what is real, what is virtual, right? How to write the answer in detail, because so many things are asked in this question, nature, size, everything. So I will teach you in the next video how to define, how to decide what is the nature of the image, size of an image. Size of an image is bigger. So this is my object, this is my image. So this is how easily you can form the ray diagram. And if you pass the third ray, it will also meet over here only, right? It will meet over here only. So you can pass any two rays, and remember friends, make dot like this, the way I have made, make dot like this, so that if you write F and if you pass from here, it will not give you perfect diagram. So make the dot for each point, for C, for F. So you need to pass from that dot exactly to draw the perfect ray diagram. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will explain all the ray diagrams in next video and will tell you how to decide what is the nature and all that of image. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.